Okay, kids, let's get washed. Push, push, push. Okay. Quite messy around here. Yeah, it's quite messy after the thunderstorm. All birds are resting. Yep. I'm following you, mother. Oh, wait. I forgot to bring my sister with me. Come on. Okay. You don't have to pull me by my tail. Where? Okay. Push, push. Let's get washed. Everybody be side. Don't block my way to my house. That's better. Okay, my turn to go. Wait, I forgot. The newborn baby penguin is my child. I forgot about that. Oh yeah, I'm your child. Remember that time I hatched from the egg after that baby penguin? Yup, I still remember that. Now I remembered. I'll also tell Dash the great news by calling him in my tablet in a video call. Great idea. Let's get washed. Me too. I'm going to get washed at my house. It's quite messy around here. I don't know why, but I will forget about that and I'll just go in my house and have a nice cool bath. Do the same. I'll do the same. I mean, wow. Whoa. Why am I twirling around? Ow. Okay. That was a tight squeeze. I'm feeling very hot. Let me take a very cool and very cold bath so that I get refreshed again. Oh wait, this is not my house. Let me out. Don't worry, buddy. I'm just going to pull you out by your tail. Is this really a great idea? Yes. Where are we going today in this adventure? What? Why? He's lost in his mind because I think he's dizzy. Whoa, I'm in the paradise. Wow, look at all the paradise trees. Wow. Shh. What was I doing? That knocked him off. Whoopla. Now let me take a shower. Wow. Now let me get to my real house. Swan, you're blocking the way. Oops, sorry. I didn't mean to upset you. Don't worry, you didn't upset me a lot. Phew. Everybody will take a nice cool shower. Me too. Oh wait. What? I'm already taking a shower. Me too. Wow. Where did this door come from? Me too. Oh, the entire city is bathing, but we three are not bathing. Let's join in. Yep. Wow. Wow. Well, let's go. Nothing feels refreshing than a cool shower. The parrot family is also. Me too. 3 hours later. Alright, let me grab my towel and I am finished. Ready to continue the day. And me too, I'm finished. This is not my house. Phew. I'm finished. And me too. Jump, jump, and oop voila. Woo. That was not the bonsai. Oops, sorry, it's okay. Forget about the mistakes. I'm done. No. I'm at my... Never mind. Anyways, I'm down. My friends. Yep, you're with me. Your best friend. Yep, my best friend is Ducky. Oh, that was a cool shower. That really cooled me off. Whew. Yep, I also had a shower 1 hour ago. And that was a short shower. And refreshed. I feel refreshed. And me too. I'm ready to continue the day with my super clean body. Oh yeah, I've also finished. Just need to get out. There we go. Hoopla! Wow, that's okay. That's good. My turn to come out. I bathed. Ow. Me too. I'll just lie down. Oh wait, let me go inside. I am so bored because I live inside my entire life. I hope this fracture gets well soon. Yep, I'm coming. Roar! Roar! What's that sound? Roar! That sounds like a tiger is roaring. Roar! Oh my god! It's a tiger roaring! Brrr, brrr. Every bird, come out! Protect yourself from a flock. Peck that tiger! Brrr, brrr. Stay in, my babies. Good luck, mommy. It's okay. Yes, thanks. Brrr, brrr, brrr. Oh, whoa! A tiger roaring! Roar! Brrr, 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 brrr. Oh no! Stay cool, my kids. I'm coming back. I'm protecting you guys. Quick luck, quick luck. Brrr, brrr. Oh no! Brrr, brrr. Protect yourself! Brrr, 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 brrr. Oh no. If it's a fast alarm, that means he's getting really closer. Oh no! Get everybody ready! Army of birds! Actually, it's called a flock. But when we pretend that soldiers, we are the army of birds! Go, 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 go! Oh my god! The bird alarm. A tiger roaring. Roar. Oh no! Time for my webbed feet to shine. Oh no! It's getting more closer. father. Brrr. Good luck, father. Okay. Brrr. Brrr. Good luck, mother and father. Thanks, my kids. Brrr. 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 Oh no, it's getting closer. Every bird, come out. Every single one. Brrr. That big one means it's very close. Almost here to the gate of the birds area. Come. That's the part where the birds are. Wow. Me too. And the last is peacock. Quick. Yeah, I'm coming. Booyah! And I jumped out of leap. Okay, where's this tiger? Well, there he is. Well, attack! Run! Green parrot, save me! Oh no! Wow! What are you doing with my husband? Wow! Wow! I will not give up that easily. Uh-oh. Attack! In 3, 2, 1. Army of birds, attack! Oh no, that was a bad idea. Entering this bird city. Oh no, I'm getting surrounded and pegged. Ow, ow, ow. Ow, ow, ow. That's so sharp a beak. Ow, 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 ow. Ow, 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 ow. Uh-oh. There's more and more continues coming after and after. Oh no, I got loose. Wow, wow. Oh, he's getting hurt. Keep going until he goes away and he gives up. Well, bald eagles, they don't call us ferocious how we look, but we are ferocious how we hunt. Ah! Oh no, a bald eagle on my head. Yes. Now for my webbed feet to shine. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Uh-oh. Can anybody help? I'm getting squished and I'm getting pegged at the same time. Let's do it. More pressure and more beak power. Join in the army. Join in the army flock of birds. Great. Yep, that's what we will call our army. It's called an army when we are angry and ready to attack. And it's called a flock when we are all together, settled down in our houses. But continue. Yup. We are the last two left to attack. Come on, peacock. Let's attack. Yup. Let's show them. Let's show them the birds. Superpower. 3 hours later. I'm getting out of here. I give up. Where am I? I don't see me. I don't see myself. I give up. Ow, 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 ow. Ow, 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 ow. I'm zooming out of here. I don't want to come here ever again. Well, we showed him that birds are tiny but powerful. Yep, all in the flock They are powerful. Yep, said it correct. Now let's jump. 3, 2, 1. And birds are great jumpers. Here, the birds that are here are great jumpers. Phew! I'm okay. I'm so relieved. You're okay, Dad. Phew. Yeah. Let's go in my house and take a. No, I'm just going to stand out in case of any danger comes. Back again. Yep. So correct. Phew, that was a lot of hard work. Mommy, Daddy, I hoped that you were okay. Now you're okay. My wish came true. Oh, my babies. Aww. Okay. They're kissing their babies. The father parrot and the mother parrot both are kissing each babies. See that? Woo! Eagle glide, baldy glide. Okay, I'm here. Yep. Ooh, mommy. I'm so glad you're okay. Yeah, me too. Oh, my kids, you're so brave. You didn't cry at all when you saw that tiger. Yep, we are brave. We are brave kids. We are brave kids. I'm coming out. I'm going back to my house with ninja speed. Whoop. And hoo-yah! I'm here. Now let me get in my house. Or maybe just stand outside my house. Whatever I can do. Because it's my house. Where is the new owl? Right over here. Oh, I see you. Let's get back at my house. That was a very unexpected tiger attack. Yep, that was a very unexpected tiger attack. Maybe tigers came by even not having a sound. The tigers do that for hunting, for their babies. They just stay. And when they stayed a lot, they jump and hunt that thing. Especially we are in a flock. The tigers cannot get us, or lions, or cheetahs, or caracals. Yup. Oh, I wagged my tail. Oh, are you okay? Yeah. I'm going back to my house. That was a great fighting with the tiger and the birds. Flock, drink water quick. Yeah, I'm drinking. In the house. Get fast. Where's my water bottle? Go. Phew. That's okay. Yup. That was an unexpected tiger attack. If we work in a flock, the tiger will run away because it will think we are too much scary. Oh, I have to drink water too. Go. Phew. As I was saying, phew. Yep, let's go. I'm back. Let me go in my house. There. My turn to come. Then my house, and I'm in. I'll meet you. I forgot where my house. Oh dear. My tail. Yep. I'm coming. And the last one, me, Snowy. Oh, the Snow is coming back. I'm back to my house, and I was the last one. Ten cheers and one extra cheers for our victory. Hip hip hooray! 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 And one extra cannot hurt. Yep. So let's say one extra for our victory. Hip hip hooray! Subscribe, like, hit the bell icon for more.